Meet a robotic arm born from one of the most influential AI communities on the planet. Hugging Face's LeRobot project, an open-source playground built for embodied intelligence experiments. The system adopts an end-to-end imitation learning workflow. A leader arm delivers motion demonstrations through direct human control, and a follower arm mirrors every movement with tight, synchronized precision. After dozens of demonstrations, the accumulated trajectories evolve into a trained model, allowing the follower arm to take on complex tasks independently. To expand the original LeRobot capabilities, the hardware has been upgraded with a dual-camera vision setup. The gripper-mounted vision captures fine details and object pose at close range. A third-person camera oversees the entire workspace with a wide external view. Both perspectives work in tandem to strengthen multitask performance and improve system resilience. During each demonstration, the system records servo dynamics and visual data frame by frame. Every moment becomes training material, allowing the model to refine predictions, sharpen control, and eventually master stable, reliable grasping behaviors. Custom 30-kilogram torque magnetic encoder servos and optimized PID control deliver smooth, precision motion. The mechanical structure has been redesigned for maximum stability, with precise joints, tighter tolerances, and streamlined cable routing to eliminate backlash and prevent interference. SO-ARM101 is fully compatible with the LeRobot Universal Protocol and connects seamlessly to the Hugging Face open-source ecosystem. Pre-trained models, shared datasets, and community-driven algorithms are all readily available. They support everything from low-level control to high-level AI development in Python. The system stays aligned with the latest upstream updates and ships with step-by-step reproducible guides, enabling smooth setup even without programming experience, unlocking the advantages of the open-source community. This is the upgraded SO-ARM101, an embodied AI platform built to take intelligence off the screen and bring it into the real world.